Note, remember, the second video is in pornography form, so it can't be played, but listen to the advice, subscribe and share. Stay blessed. Walking in the Light TV presents to you Examine Carefully by Brother Opon Jr. Gilbert. Walking in the Light TV, great power comes with great responsibility. Stay blessed.
You are welcome on Walking in the Light TV, Church of Christ TV, and by now we have added a channel called Let the Bible Speak TV or YouTube channel. And the channel we are Samsung a free. Let the Bible Speak or YouTube and a sound of Facebook. Church of Christ TV. Church of Christ TV no. When say I work me and sa and a war social media. But so I made an icon now. We be Church of Christ TV chrono. I make a home accept. But come Ghana here, Ghana here in America. Two na can be outside Ghana or no asem na America. And a last one. So you're Walking in the Light TV. Me and Mika say me YouTube channel. Message so won't subscribe the war was so now. Maybe I will be a channel call so no. Subscribe, share, like it. We will leave comments. Now this is Jumana and then my ya can be she in crimes and panipa 88 no hasem na he can. The be say examine carefully so there there sempa and I there sem obi aka na be pro. They are pensem either say good and bad. The Bible do beka na final. Afi so mestre say video a wo hwe mi wo be share de ama wunua so ahwebi. So di kan we video e di kan ya kai say examine carefully episode 9 so na ya dream. We episode 9. Okay, do with my episode na every 1 to 8 you know I Walking in the Light TV so Brother Opon Jr. Gilbert. That's my name. We video ya about youth. Binom mienu bema ba akwa na oba ba ko omo akọ SHS Senior High School. Omo SHS I don't know the form omo say form 1 form 3 only thing I know so SHS omo ena ba no ni bema no they are kissing we enye holy kiss o meselo mo amoma intellectual dishonesty ye ka se man mo ko for Bible quotation the Bible enye sa Bible quotation chi ani bi. Their kissing was a greeting. Omo greeting is not mouth to mouth for the enemy. So what abrofunchi edu or different countries, BT say Egypt and South Africa countries, but muchia they use their check. Omo de benfuno etar mu say. And they are no more poppy sound will be like it is will be afio biano. That is their greetings. And far kono boni bi ambam. If I could say what she been some pet, so she been some pan our touch. They use their check. Because on mobile say they take it as or why sound nice or more kiss no any friend say holy kiss. Some in Chalani Jew for no a one. Now we don't get any so or banny be my wallet. Idea or more ebe da and or more be call and pass they are going to honor the better. Jomoye and Sana or more ultim ashim no. Nipana ne maame e na akoto school mo e ba no oni obi a ye kan Ghana kasem say boyfriend ana omo twempena be ma no omo ekisi wo class na awe class na obi na o a odi phone na te ba bi na o twa omo hu to omo hye kona bi e no mo di dwuma we Ghana youth die na e kosi enti chese nti ase ni anase die before they make you be a omo yen kan quotation bi e Bible mu enti for Bible ne yen kan za quotation bi Yenkane 2 Timothy chapter number 4 verse number 22. Or say, flee also from youthful lusts. Yeah, last, as also. But pursue righteousness, faith, love, peace with those who call on the Lord out of a pure heart. Amen. Dwani free emranti brem akono ho. Dwani free emranti brem akono ho. Anase jewu free emranti brem akono ho. Sa ade na omo no, some is not them, some is them. So okoka obinum say bronsam. Okoka obinum say bronsam, but same way bronsam any last is in this word. Akono boni ewo wiase. And always it takes the youth effort enkulano. Etia o to Timothy for say onwani free emranti brem akono ho. If so mo emranti brem akono ho na emranti brem akono no e na ede boni eba. Awani be mo abe odi boni ani abra usa okombe do sa ade na usa ne de oye na ebe ma wo be nyina ebe ka ho e no so onwani free Paul na etu Timothy a ofre ne ba e wo Kristo mu no efusa na no kwase na make ajuro enne youth no mo Ghana na say hwede obi aye no school ma wakohia o school no mo ahia. Look at what they are doing. Dear koso Ghana dear name tiase yakra o akono no obi a ewubi. We have a good last and a bad last, but last na nkasa ne dear must flee from it. Go last nya ba mu a edobe ko bonimu akono ba kinse no bezi ahye wo ho so. Control yourself. What do you mean control one? Try so be free from it. Only I would me. We youth. Need more dijuma we school mamako. Enti Ghana for ya born no. Just one be no more woman. No want it one poor no dey go tena adwuma. O koye adwuma ne chese o kita pen no dey bokoro no. Look at what they are doing in this world. Abra omo akọ school. Ghana die na ye mofra die na ye nuanom video esendu ma nuam na futuo be from de ye no emboa ye wako school ha adwuma bi a wodi na ne obenyini de ne de no be obenyina nye nchance so abegina ne obi akwakoda school mpo e na wo no obi akwahye kona edidwe na obenyina ode ho no de na be ye video eto simi bra obi no so e from Silequins incoming Silequins nyansasem adwene de trema ye binom de adwene ho de neema wo wiase they are using to shake this word obi nu so betena say bi cemetery was say Silequins so de madi omuni madi so oyidu fo na asi no so ne odandan no community oye pampansela odandan no kono konkoti ba no dan so mo ne ho nto no odandan no ho de bia ko no ho nso ne wo nipa osra de fo no odandan ko ha no yiye bibi no atade bia wa hye ne de chese atade obi eda kora ne obe sha ada ono fele ma no ho se bia ni de no ko be da no wa koto 90 we ye free top si down kama trash wa 90 we from top to down kama take ni nyahwe top so kama moduru na fesu hen ha no na bonten we dey kwere ya bonten na kan patu utero social media over billions egu ho no wakofa fo na sin so atwa no amana me Silequins akotena SS ka say one tenase an tena boy hu yi a ye na beje no na nchire ho na ade we are see we diem pa na ne Ghana ye youth ya duni ye we ye ntima man no omondi ma fa kwa mpaso through the Bible we Abraham be muhie so na won for Bible no kire youth na wasesa be dandan badwene in a 40 manner momo ensu yakopon yi ekoka kire mo se nyami no na Bible no kra efi be de no no na ba be di na chi ni nyina ya mo budi dwuma we ya entu ko kankra atem na abeji ba be di na chi no bo be di sa dwuma ya ye ka mo se ya chire omu kwampano no mu akofa Bible no say book bia bia we as na ka se nyami ni ho o samba wa be contradict no say nhwede ye we as se nyami ho woni de okika to omu fumo mu njai Abraham be mu hye hwede youth na ye we youth wa so ba wo preach omu say omu ja Bible ho free Yesu achi no sa ankofo ni na youth na eba mpaifo wo mu ndu tan youth nko na edu achi to omu fo look at what they are doing in Ghana to akono boni akotena school me afifi oboya no esan fo we kra basma achew de ne ba be ho kra nyame be ho ye mmobo kra ye ba ko chine se frɛ mo sequence wan he ya ntana aboy mu ye be gino this year be gino odo be ko school me you too many for solid especially Miami Church of Christ they be the youth are solid tit youth are solid Kenya me send chire youth no na wo ma me ne papa no efficiency is 1 ne asemo ka nyina say train your child enye so child ni obey wo nko obey we gina so enti a verse 4 ka kire say man sha wo ba no abufuo ku se no be sini akra na training ye na o kwa asore ne preach na ono wa fa bi na wo mu ye kwa asore wo nko tifi wo kwa asore o di key aija ba say wo ba ni watum wo ko da di key janse wo ba ni watum wo ko da na ti abonten wo ko adwuma woni mebi afa wo hu no o ti afre kofi adwa me ko adwuma bo wanje so ni wa su kwanso ye ko look at what you are doing hede wo ye wo expect sakura me ko smo be akrapa mo men training akura ni ye wonua mo men training kura ni ye na wona wa hu no kure no ye na ye hu no kure ne de ye team fasa compare ka bichiro iso e training ye ma no so ye sa de na Ghana be change mo anya adwen ye da ye timi enya Abraham ne ba be chire nyansa o on fana dwen be chire nyansa na kopon a chire nyansa dada na it is in the Bible onyam enye bibi e maye ma no nko school ko enkrapa school ni ye ubenya boni wo nkora boni wo o train ba yi ankora boni be kituwa bi papa ni be doso mo train omo e na boni na doso papa no e kituwa bi train your child na what wanted to be in Bible say wo o sino de wanji Bible na ndi Abraham be hye no o sino mo kora o de kora nkaja no o tie de Bible na ka o de special wo se wa be ji Kristo adi Bible adi o ti Church of Writing o ti Kristo so mu ne o ba want man tete no that means o fie want man hwe we ye onua o so de o sene baba nji na ndi no enti sa asem na Yesu aka no hweniye ana Bible aka hweniye mesrew ya me second quotation ne that is last but one eye di omoye sika achi e no mudi sika achi ye be ye nya hwe sika kono bone abobinu e na omudi achi di ediduma wi na ye sika ga de yen kan first Timothy de bia ka se we so ni pa asesana says verse number 9 or say there but those who desire to be rich fall into temptation and a snare and into many foolish and harmful lusts which drown men in destruction and perdition. Enti hwasemo tie o say omo pe mo hu anya chese rich ne de Yakobon bon wa bamo o nkai se proverbs ka kire say Yakobon nhira ne mani pa wodefo ma Yakobon nhira onua wutie me o mpeji aso la curse na waji ehia wuntima kofa kwamboni so ekopesika o kofa kwamboni so na o kire say eye nkwase akono na di akiri nkwase akono wuni am kan kire we wan fa sebi foolish de be nkwase asem akotra o funa esi skanti ope evara ko na chese nipa abehwe viewers no wa nyo muska dinti wo nti sa dwuma egu social media abra binom di ekanamsem youth omiyanyi bio na hwiye no ebehu niema pa oginya mindi mesre so oginya miadi na uwu achi no obenu hu se waginya mi andi na osesa akwase akono no edi omukọ ohaiwo ni sayem asikadofo ni scammers for no youth wa no mo wu ne nyina ebre 99% scamming for sikadofo babedi da moto betiti moto so ne babedi da kansim be ne be wintem do beti say youth ni bia wu a onko ha no de moto na ahwe ase onko ha no de car na ahwe ase akwasi akono de ekopesika na eseye youth no na oto aso say for the love of money is a root of all kinds of evil. Not money is root of all kinds of evil. Nyem sika na ye boni nyina hini na mum sika akono, that is the foolish lust no one say akono love na share the foolish lust no abunum epe di akopnya sika no na o say eye boni nyina ehini man do sika onua Kristo ni atwabet wo odi ene o hayi. For the love of money is root of all kinds of evil. Kristo ni atwabet Church of Christ in bet. Wo send na Bible kan kai. O say bet na wo twa no e boni nyina hini. Saa adwama mo na ho sofo abo ano a kire mo saa no. O say bet na wo twa no boni nyina hini. Dame no good na wo to discuss so no boni nyina hini. Chacha na wo bono boni nyina hini. Udo sika entia udi sika force o ho pesika abla wo nya adwuma bia abla de wo ye na enya adwuma papa bia o wiase. O say foolish last bet twa gambling or see foolish last and only a team mesre send no money and not send from sika kono na di Ghana for any mama you to say no as say business liquid whether liquid for is can do off for na wenyesika wa cover viral nkwase akono mo maye send free ho na Bible ne say awiye no emfa yenko ba bia ye read the last quotation no ne yemfa free dwumadie so na as quotation e me de odifo bi na e kan ye memento bita go to pa Jeremiah chapter number 6 verse number 30 and number 31 dia asem na oka akire Jeremiah chapter 5 verse number 30 verse 30 was say an astonishing and horrible thing has been committed in the land. Dear you to know a who did dear who said okay foolish uncle says more okay see what come our yeah, I live with science in months of beauty, no to what the I am of ye. That could use on the day, the Nipan and from boom. You don't be a very interview now, exam careful in the bum. May or no post to ye. So, fairly and compost to. My expect to make a tenant or fairly and compost to. Oh, no more money, I know. Now, compost form when in chom. Then what will shame ya also any decided in chai? Why? No, say the way who did ye a foolish last and was out of honor. No, 12:31 say the prophet prophesied falsely. It sounds almost come. Any come papa nti. Ama nkra ni ja Christopher ndi. Omo njinya kopon ndi. Efu se nkom hye on be hye bia ntoro. Wa we yitwa wotie. Luke 16:16 ko kan odifo bia no biem. Do ye odifo bia o se na on ye difo nne no. Una dwane fili nchen. O papa na ye bia dwane. Ana tunofo. Wicked sin do you obokro no because Bible na kana kire en say na church friends for your preacher chom say difo bia no biem Bible no asi adifo nyina wo do hye nkom bia chese bronsan adwuma odi wo wiase bi na wafa ana say eye azan eni nkontompo no oye na nipa oye san ye kro no na wo bo na de enti tu nipa kro ni so oye bi nefo this individual man no to aso say and the priest rule by their own power asofo no mo wo sele ni nu hese na omuzie ya sele no na anu chese ye di azan nyina go we movies ye twa no amu ba mi se movies no ne sofo achi bi edware no so ye sofo ka chire se movie e wa twa ko kwa na ba tu social media enye sika ani bre na bia sika wo penti se ne stations in be frefre na bisa nsem nti wa ndo ye mo me hwe you na wiase na ye wo no awie beba na ti di twa to e. And my people love to have it so. Uko social media, about sex, millions and thousands have been watching that. About sex, like say Obini Obieda, Obini Obi kiss. The video na me wan kowe. Ni papa o mo ahwe. About sex, pornography now start topic my treaty. Some Korean working in the life so pushing pornography is sinful, brother. Upon you na give bosso YouTube name ubenya. Mesma be treating BM by next 2 weeks. Be treating BM for about pornography via YouTube and social media. Ni pahwe. Why? Ya ni jakono go the movie ni bi wo ma. Just keep it. Na ebone why? Mesero. Na tie. Omo pe. Ntia me so omo kwa bedo so no. O say they like to have it so. Na tie dey twatol. But what will you do in the end? Amen. Onia. O say na wiye no obe ni de. Wa ultra bets, gambling for you, pornography, watches for you, more muscle, kono boni, more dada, ma money or weather, more kissy was kumia be diabetes ontini. Or so funny a deep for mood in draw say muy free and coupon a moon free and me. Or something I say, na we mobile de, moo ebe na ebe na waka. Os canine say. Me kwai enko kanchiro mo ate asefo asase nso se me ho kire me ame mpeso mbeba o si da bi yɛn mma ha nsan nkɔ yɛakyi wowu a noa no nyankopɔn nhyira wo. My name is Brother Opon Jr. Gilbert. I'm brave, truth and loyal. Walking in the Light TV presents to you Examine Carefully. Walking in the light, great power comes with great responsibility. Stay blessed. Bye bye.